so good. You smell so good. He tired. Okay, back for real, y'all. Okay. Hey Kiki babies, I'm showing y'all my baby. He was asleep. It was 7 in the morning. I woke him up to get him dressed. He got his doctor's appointment. He got his 6-month shots. Even though he's 7 months, gonna be 8, he has to get his 6-month shots because I didn't want to get it last month when he went to the doctor because I knew I didn't have the days off and he be normally crying and frustrated after he gets shots. But that I'm just right now just getting his little chunky butt dressed. Look how big he is with all them rolls. He looking at the camera like, Mom, why are you recording me early in the morning? I just woke up. You can't even let my eyes adjust to the world right now. And I'm just dragging him, getting him dressed. I done got myself ready way before I woke him up because I get myself together, then I get him together. Boo, okay? It's the real mama thing, okay? Now I'm just getting this diaper right, you know what I'm saying? Putting his shirt on, snapping it on. And about to put his pants and his shoes on. Take them stinky socks off and look between his toes a little bit. Smell his feet, you know what I'm saying? Mama things. But, yeah. This clip, I'm getting my baby dressed. And y'all better make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because y'all be showing so much love on my views, but y'all don't want to comment and y'all don't want to subscribe. Y'all better get up under there and comment. You see my baby to put that big old head in the camera. He looking at y'all. Comment. Don't disappoint. Support. Love, share, comment, all that, okay? Share my video with your mama, your granny, your uncle, your brother, your sister, all that, okay? And now I'm just washing my baby face off because he had a little sleep and crust in his eye. Then I put some Aquaphor on him, baby. I put Aquaphor everywhere on him every single day. Aquaphor is where it's at. Aquaphor's really sponsored this video because I promise y'all, since he been born, he's 7 months, I ran through more than 10 tubs of Aquaphor, and I got one new in my room, boo. So, yeah, and that's just me playing with him, kissing him, because, he just woke up, me getting his little shoes together. Y'all know my baby feet is so small. He wears 0 to 3 month shoe, child. Like, he's so little, but he wear a 9 month, not 9 months. He could fit some 9 months and some 6 months clothes. And he just looking around and stuff like that, finna fall over and stuff, girl. Oh my gosh, child. Look at my baby just looking at the camera like, oh my God, why is my mom recording me? But I'm going to see y'all when I get in the car. Because this whole clip, I'm just getting my baby ready. And he finna get in that seat, get buckled up. That's on that. And I took my sister to school. And y'all going to see me when I get in the car. You got it? Hey, Kiki, baby. Say y'all doing today. How y'all feeling? How y'all coming? How y'all about me? And today, you guys, that I getting his shots. Again. His 6 months. Even though he's 7 months. Huh? Yeah, you can bring that in here. He getting his 6 month shots, even though he's 7 months. Gonna be 8, because I missed his last appointment, and I had to request the days off to make sure I'll be able to do it. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So make sure y'all stay tuned. And that's on period, poo. Okay? So I'll catch y'all. Okay, so now y'all, I'm just getting ready to put him in his seat. We finna get ready to hit the road. I gotta drop my sister off at school. Y'all might hear this noise in the background. That's my baby. He's currently having a terrible dream. I think he's having a terrible dream because he want to cry in his sleep right now. But besides the point. The point is, baby, we're getting ready to walk out that door to get in the car and drive to go to that doctor's appointment. And y'all gonna see me playing with him. And no, I'm not this big, y'all. I wear an oversized shirt. This shirt is a large. And I got it from Shein. They should sponsor this video too, boo. Got it from Shein or whatever. And it's an oversized shirt because I wear leggings and things like that. And I don't want my cheeks just all boo-boo. I'm on. You know what I'm saying? And that's just me getting him ready. I give him his pacifier, his receiving blanket, and his bird cloth. I put it inside. And tell me why, when I was going to walk out the door, I forgot to put his milk in the bag. But I ended up turning around and put it in the bag. But I ain't got that on the clip, so it don't matter. I'm just telling y'all what I forgot. And that's me in my little jacket. I just bought that jacket from Pink or whatever, because y'all know I'm a Pink associate. And that's just me showing y'all my how I'm coming. Don't judge my background, boo. I gotta wash clothes. I said that in the next clip. Okay, I gotta wash clothes. My room ain't dirty, boo. Don't do it. Hey y'all. Now I'm on my way to my son's appointment or whatever. And I'm in my mama's car. Period. And he back there playing with his toys. That's on his seat. I just dropped my sister off at school and now I'm on my way there. And then after we leave there, I'm going back home. And then I'm gonna do some laundry because I got some laundry to do. Because I'm off for the next 3 days. I'm so glad. And then I work like 4 or 5 days straight after that. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe and push that bell. And I'm gonna try to record while he get his shots, but if she don't let me, then I just can't. But I most definitely talk to y'all when I get in there, because I'm a valet park, because I don't have a stroller. And yeah, so I catch y'all. Okay, here you go. Y'all miss me doing videos. I said, why not do a video today? I don't know what other type of video I should do, but this is one. Period. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And push that bell. And y'all giving me these views, but y'all not wanting to subscribe. What? Subscribe. Don't play with me. Play with your mama, not me. Period. I catch y'all. You don't like it? So basically, y'all, my baby wasn't having it with taking this medicine. So I had to put the camera down for a minute and wipe his mouth because something spilled on him, and then try to give it to him all over again. Right now, he back to cry because he frustrated right now. He's sleepy. He went to bed in the video at the end, as y'all gonna see. But right now, he's a little irritated. And you see he was irritated. He wasn't having it with the medicine. He don't like it. That's crazy because he used to love it, and now he don't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It'll make you feel better. You finna get your shots. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I said I'm sorry. Here, relax, relax. Are you okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go. Okay? I love you. How you feeling? Stressed out? That medicine was nasty.
And count while the other person runs and hides. I thought you said you didn't know. Hide and seek.
Oh, no, I do know that one.
My big boy just got his shorts. I don't even know what to say, y'all. Trying to make sure y'all see me. You okay? That lady hurt you. He was crying. She's sorry. She's so sorry, baby. You have to get your shots, okay? Keep feeling go, okay? Mommy's sorry. She's sorry. We cuddle when we get to the house, okay? I'll catch y'all. Now we just sitting here waiting on the car. Y'all look rough. Now we just sitting here waiting. I'm hot. I'm trying to massage his legs so they don't get swole like last time. Remember? Because she said she did it wrong this time. He jerked. You jerked. So you're going to have a rough night. I know you are. Right now he doing good. I'm going to just keep massaging his legs throughout the day. And I'm going to catch y'all when I get home. Period, boo. Dookie. He was asleep, y'all, but I woke him up. I'm gonna massage his legs so his legs don't get swollen, because every time he gets shots, they get swollen. And let's hope my baby have a good night tonight. Let's hope. So, I'm gonna catch y'all later. If I do something interesting, I'm gonna record. Right now, I'm gonna chill with my baby, let him go to bed. Probably take a nap with him because it's early as hell. It was 7 o'clock in the morning when I got up. Well, 6. Now it's 7, about to go on 8. So, I'll catch y'all later, probably, when I wake up. If I go to bed. Yeah, I'll catch you later. He's my baby. He's my baby. I love you. He love me. He love me. He let her do that whistling thing. Catch y'all. Can you see that kiss I put on your face? Sorry. So, bye y'all. It smells so good. You smell so good. He tired. Okay, back for real, y'all. Okay. Gonna make me some bread, pancakes. It's some bacon, cause that's my go-to boo. I'm gonna make cinnamon pancakes today. So. People put like milk in their pancakes to make it fluffier. But I don't do that. I don't like milk. Water. Y'all my baby laughing. He jumping. And his little jumping. gonna watch All American and Homecoming. Child, that's my show right now. And then I gotta finish watching my other show. I forgot, but it's like a little thing. It's a Netflix show, and basically they go on dates. They date each other to find their love, true love, and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? And it's real good. But we only got one more episode. My pancake. Yeah. Cinnamon. Okay. It's perfect. Perfect. And that's all I do. Water and this. Go big boy, go big boy, go. 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 Go, Dada, go, Dada, go. Go, Dada, go, Dada, go.
7
Go, Dada, go, Dada, go. Go, Dada, go, Dada, go.
equals
Look at little legs. Go, Dada, go, Dada, go. 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 Go, Dada, go, Dada. Go, Dada, go, Dada, go. He crazy. Yo, I got him in that thing because I was massaging his legs, but I stopped, and I know he likes to jump. And since he likes to jump, it should help his legs not get so tight. And put a knot on it from them shots. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, child. Hopefully. Let's just hope. I be on TikTok all day. Let me go see if I can find that show that I'm trying to tell y'all about. I know I got Netflix on my phone. What is it at? That show is so good. It's like only 10 episodes though. It just came out. Dang, it ain't gonna let me click it. It ain't gonna let me do it, y'all. Cause he watching it. He watching TV. But it's a good show. It's like Love is Blind, but it's different. You see the person and you just date and stuff like that, and people be leaving each other to go date with the next person, and all of them in the one house. It's crazy. Go there, go there, go. I'm his hype man. Hype man, for sure, for sure. Get your job done. Non-stick, best way to go, boo. That boy in there screaming. And that's literally what I wanted, 2 pancakes, and I'm glad I didn't get more than that. Even though one bigger than what I wanted, but it's okay. It's what it is. I'm gonna have my nephew from April 2nd to April 11th. We gonna spend Easter together. They gonna go take Easter pictures. Period. They're gonna take it on the before we leave. So I'm gonna try to get him tucking next week. Not this weekend, next week, because I get him on the 2nd. So like whatever day I'm off throughout that week, that's when I'm gonna have them go take pictures. Cause I got them Easter outfits, boo. Got Easter stuff. Just get ready for that Easter content, boo. Cause we got some stuff we gonna be creating. Me and my little babies. Cause they're my boys. Hey, boo. Them people still here? Okay, y'all. So I'll catch y'all. I'm gonna go set up and eat my food. So I'll catch y'all. Bye. Cinnamon pancakes, some bacon, some eggs, people. And then I got this fat baby. Here. Here. What a fat butt. Get into it. Get into it.
I know there are places that will
Okay, so my stuff won't focus.
here to fill them, but
I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done eating because I'm gonna watch All American, period. So, bye. Real good, real bad.
we all think
Still got some juice a little bit. Got this baby right next to me screaming. What? He tired, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all after I put him to sleep. Bye.
a movie night. Put on your favorite PJs.
Y'all, All American was so good. Now watching
and I'll supply popcorn.
I think All American Homecoming or something like that. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. My baby's sitting here asleep. I'm going to watch TV and edit this video and get it out for y'all. Period. Pooh. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe and push that bell.